Rab here at the Great Lakes Backyard Barbecue once again. Memorial Day 2026 and another rack of ribs coming off the Weber. But we're going to unwrap them. They've been wrapped up for 2 hours and see how juicy they are here.
A puzzle Dante Volkov couldn't solve. He stopped avoiding her.
Readjust the camera or the phone.
Yeah. But it was still fun for the kids.
Ostensibly working on his laptop, but she could feel his eyes. She woke up.
Oh.
Woo! Milo, a traitorous cat, would often abandon her to turn out where
Look at that. Look at how juicy those are. Well, we gotta get some barbecue sauce on them and get them back on the grill for another hour to be ready to eat. See, this is how the meat's pulling right off the bones. All right, we're gonna get these going and we'll be back. Till next time, Rob from the Great Lakes Backyard Barbecue. Happy Memorial Day.